During this webinar, I'm going to show you how to copy my success of my business that's currently making me $1,178 per day. So first, an earnings disclaimer. You are not going to make $1,178 per day as a result of watching this presentation. That's not the goal of this webinar. And I know you're smart enough to understand that. When I first started working online, I just wanted some extra cash to help pay for college. I was in college in 2005 when I started building websites, and I was more than happy with the $20 to $50 per day my e-commerce and affiliate marketing websites were churning out. But now today, I have 5 different online businesses, and one of them making me $1,178 per day. So my goal is to not make you this same amount per day. My goal for you is to understand this process of creating profitable businesses, creating websites that can make you money, how to launch brands that offer products and services that pay you a recurring revenue. And then from there, the sky really is the limit. So if you already have a business, I'm going to show you how this Mod MBA workshop can take whatever business or idea you have to the next level. So if you don't have a business or even an idea, or maybe you're working at a job, no matter your role, if you want to surpass the competition or your coworkers, I'm going to show you how to save the next 10 years of your life of trial and error. This workshop will dramatically shortcut your process of mastering business. So my name is Justin, and I'm the founder of CourseEnvy.com. After 10 plus years, I discovered how to start and run online businesses successfully, the hard way. But with all the tools and training I put together over the years, you get to cheat and take the easy way, along with 300,000 plus 5-star students in our top-rated online courses. Yeah, people love CourseEnvy. Here's a recent testimonial from a CourseEnvy student. I just wanted to let you know that it was one of the best investments I ever made. I received at least 100 ROI, and I have 8 local restaurant clients now. A very good stable income, and the business is expanding. When I took your course 10 months ago, I had $5 in my pocket. Your course was there at the perfect timing when I decided to make a massive change in my life, and it gave me the guidance I needed to take my first steps to build a digital agency. Feel free to use this as a testimonial. I always suggest your courses when people ask me where to start. So you may be wondering at this point, what is the Mod MBA workshop? The Mod MBA is a modern approach to the traditional MBA. This online workshop is an MBA alternative for high-performing individuals who want to not only excel in business, but in life. While this Mod MBA workshop won't earn you a Master of Business Administration degree, you will learn everything taught in an MBA program and much more. So again, I want to note, we are not an accredited educational institute offering you a degree. So what are you going to get in the Mod MBA workshop? First is our Mind and Body module. So before you can set and accomplish goals, we provide you with an all-encompassing daily routine that will improve every aspect of your life. The next module is the Mod MBA workshop, our modern approach to mastering business. This alone is a $2,000 value. The Mod MBA is a business mastery workshop including industry-leading strategies, organizational practices, financial growth opportunities, and much more. The Mod MBA also includes access to all of our worksheets, PDFs, and Excel spreadsheets referenced throughout the workshop. Next, you get the Entrepreneurship Idea to Launch Capstone Project. We guide you step by step through launching a mock business or a real one and provide you feedback. This project alone sells for $199. We also include our complete Kickstarter crowdfunding success course. Again, a $199 value when sold separately. Next, we include our custom curated free online MBA. We created a perfect clone of the traditional MBA curriculum in the form of free-to-audit courses offered by top-tier universities. The next module is all about learning how to invest this money you'll be making. Invest in stocks, cryptocurrency, real estate. All of the courses offered in this module together are valued at $788. In this module, I share my investment portfolio and all of my private investment contacts. The value of this is priceless. This has taken me years to put together and perform due diligence on, and I'm sharing it with you in this Mod MBA. And finally, you get access to all of our CourseEnvy courses. This alone is a $2,167 value. This includes our social media marketing course. This teaches you how to create ads on all the social platforms. Next included is how to start a marketing ad agency. Next, Amazon FBA course, how to sell on Amazon from A to Z. Then our advanced Amazon marketing course, our email automations mastery course, our Etsy shop guide to selling on Etsy course, then our SEO course, our MailChimp mastery, how to get more followers on Instagram, our AWS certification course, and finally, our Facebook ads and Facebook marketing mastery guide. We teach you everything step by step and share our entire marketing process. We teach you how to optimize targeting. We teach you how to create ads that generate results. We teach you the ins and outs of e-commerce. As you can see in this screenshot of one of our Amazon accounts, we teach from our real life examples. We teach you how to create sales funnels that convert. You will master online marketing with the Mod MBA workshop. So everything included in the Mod MBA has a value of $5,353. Those accepted to the Mod MBA workshop will get lifetime access to all of this, plus every future update. With each course you complete, you will receive a certificate of completion. These are perfect for sharing with your boss, or sharing on your resume, or LinkedIn. Now, besides all this amazing content, you will also gain access to our private community where we all provide you feedback, share resources, and help each other grow in a forum setting. Now, on top of this forum private community, you will also be assigned to a mastermind group. This group will connect you with other like-minded people that want exactly what you want: accountability, feedback, and growth. So, do you want to take the hard way of trials and errors over the next decade? Or would you rather take the easy way with the Mod MBA workshop? There is limited enrollment in this program, so apply today at modmba.com.